beginners, this is Kathy with VirtuallyStrings. Today I'm coming with the beginning series for violin beginners. What we need to learn today is we're going to be looking at our open notes and then our fingerings for each string. Our first string, which is our lowest string right here, is the G string. Then the next string up would be the D string. Then we have the A. And then the top string, which is our highest string, is our E. Okay. Again, right here, this is a G. Then we have the D right next to that. Then right next to that one is going to be the A. And then right next to that is the E. Okay. So we're going to look at the fingerings real quick. What we need to know is that we use 4 fingers. Our first finger will be our our pointer finger or our index finger. Again, first finger is our pointer or our index finger. The next finger, our second finger right here, is going to be the middle finger. Then we're going to have our third finger as the ring finger, and then our last finger is going to be the number 4, our fourth finger, our pinky. So again, right up here, our first finger is the pointer or index finger. Middle finger is the second finger, third finger is the ring, and then pinky is the fourth finger. So the way we go around actually positioning them is we take our finger and we go up to where with this little piece right here that's in between the scroll and the fingerboard, and it's called the nut. Right here, it's called the nut. And we will actually take our joint right here, this little joint right here. We'll put it right next to it, right by the E side, and then we will just slowly put it down. And usually, most people will hit their very first finger. So we're going to go open, and then we'll go to the next string. Okay. So the string we're going to start off with is the D string. So we have an open D. Any string that has no fingers down, that's when we play them, then we call them an open string. So this first one right here is an open D that we're playing. Then we're going to put our first finger down, okay, and that becomes the E. Right next to it, if we put it right there, it would be an F. And that is considered a half step because there's no gaps in between. If we put it about a finger width up, right here, as you can see, I'm putting my finger in here, that would be the F sharp. And then right next to that would be G. Okay. So our neutral position usually is open first, high second, which is the whole step where we have the fingering position, and then third. Okay, again, it's open, first, second, third. Okay, so for the G string, it's G would be the open. Then the next note would be A, which would be first. Then B, which would be high second. Then C, which would be third. Okay. On the A string, it would be open. Then B would be first. High second would be C sharp. And then third would be D. And then on the E, we have an open E. First finger would be F sharp, second finger would be G sharp, and then third finger would be A. Okay, so start from bottom to top with just neutral position. We have open G, first finger A, second finger B, which is the high second finger. Third finger we would have C, D would be open, first finger E, high second F sharp, third finger G, open A, first finger B, high second C sharp, D would be third finger, high open E, first finger F sharp, second finger G sharp, and then third finger A. Okay, hopefully this video right here helps you to understand a little bit more about the fingerings and the notes that we have on the violin. As always, please, you can feel free to leave comments down below or questions that you might have, and feel free to please like, subscribe, and share this video. Bye!